Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that there were two thick garments of Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once she mentioned, these two garments are very thick. When they become wet, they become heavier. Then she suggested, there is a certain person who has same clothes. Send these garments to him so that he may sell them for you, and when you receive the payment, you may discharge the obligation. The Prophet ﷺ sent these garments to that person. The person began to say, I know what Muhammad ﷺ intends. He wants me to take his clothes and not give him his dues. When this news reached the Prophet ﷺ, he said, this is mistaken. They know very well that I am the one who fears Allah the most. They know very well that I am the one who fears Allah the most among them, and that I am the most trustful in speech and the most faithful in fulfilling my trust. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 24030.